Mechanism of evolution. This topic is taken from the chapter of evolution. So, we all know that Darwin has worked on some important factors that are inheritable factors which will mention the phenotype, that is physical character of an organism. Here in the mechanism of evolution, Hugo de Vares makes a important work where he finds the mutations. Mendel mentioned about inheritable factors which influence the phenotype of an organism. Mendel mentioned some important factors that mainly influence the physical character of the organism. So, even the Darwin also explained about the evolution which give rise to the species of the same organism. Here Mendel also mentioned about the inheritable factors. Hugo de Vares, based on his work on unique prime rows, suggested that variation occurs due to the mutations. So, as Hugo de Vares was working, he observed that in the prime rows plant, that variations, mainly the differences between the parents and the progeny, mainly occurred due to the mutations. So first of all, you should understand what is mutations. So mutations are basically the large differences arising suddenly in the population. So how the mutation arises basically is when the suddenly bomb spots takes place in the place, then what happens, then the suddenly difference of population takes place. Okay, bomb spot, or there might be the some anything different problem. Due to this, what happens, large difference takes place in the huge population. Okay, this is this is known as mutation. Simple. So this is observed by Hugo de Vares while he was working on the prime rows. He observed the large differences arising suddenly in the population. Then, mutations are random and directionless, while the variations that Darwin talked about were small and directional. So mutations are basically random. Of course, they are random. So suddenly, when bomb sports takes place, it is really very random. It is not. It is not very direction. It is also directionless. Whereas variations means differences between the parents and the progeny are very small. Difference are very small. Obviously, so when you compare, when your parent and you will find only little differences, right? Differences are very small. Okay, this is very small and they are directional. Okay, then Hugo de Vares gave the name saltation, single step large mutation, to the mutation which brought about speciation. So the mutation brought speciation. So it brought speciation. Hugo de Vares gave the name saltation because it occurred in the single step and gave the large mutation. Large differences occurred in the population. This is what happened. So he named it as the saltation to the mutation because it brought the speciation. Simple.